Calm before the storm, Zimbabwean President Emmerson Mnangagwa faces a political conundrum ahead of the ZANU-PF annual conference from 13 to 18 October in Mutare to go ahead with the unpopular 2030 political agenda through a referendum or two referenda, as the party may be risking a crushing defeat in the process. Use parliament to postpone the 2028 elections to extend his rule through the back door, which will present constitutional dilemma. Some lawyers say a constitutional coup, or drop his bid to extend his reign beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit to 2030. Sarabina mashoko aroratidza kuti aiwa panguva ino muZANU-PF amunomira zvakanaka, vanhu vakamirira the congress, aiwa the conference ichaitiwa this year. Aiwa, not subscribe or like or on the bell icon. Timira panapa munawo mobuda ndichenda mberi vachiti Mnangagwa says he will not extend his rule beyond his 2028 second term constitutional limit, as he is a constitutionalist, but he marshaled ZANU-PF to pass a resolution to allow him to do so at its conference in Bulawayo last year. This has created an opportunity for him to extend his stay in power while blocking Vice President Zanu, whom he clearly does not want to succeed him. Although Chiwenga installed Mnangagwa into power in 2017, he no longer wants him to take over from him as initially agreed, as his interests have now shifted. Mnangagwa fears a Chiwenga presidency, as he suspects he will not protect him and his family. In fact, he is scared he might seize their wealth and arrest them on accusation of corruption and looting. Ethnically, Mnangagwa and his ZANU-PF faction does not want another Zulu leader now after Mugabe's recent experience. Ethnicity is a major factor in Zimbabwean politics and social life, especially where power and resources are at stake. In the meantime, Mnangagwa's close ally, local business mogul KUTYA, who is a political upstart, has emerged as a dark horse, but has been brutally thwarted by Chiwenga from joining ZANU-PF decision-making structures, particularly the Central Committee, which is the most critical organ of the party in between congresses. Ndo mashoko aripo panguva ino ari kunzi panguva ino zvinhu hazvina kumira mushe muZANU-PF. Panguva ino ahead of the conference ichange iriko aiwa kwaMutare, kunoonekwa kunzi kuchange kusingadyi rinopisa, kuchange kuchivezanwa vanhu. Ameno imbodzai mafunguro enyu munoti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Abva nayo mucomment section medu dzamafunguro enyu. So subscribe or like, chit on the bell icon.